So here we have our ladder logic program, which we will compile it to the simulator. After successful compilation, we will transfer it to the simulator by clicking on transfer button. After successful transfer to the simulator, now we will click on the run button to make it on run mode. After that, we have to click on simulation button, which will open up the HMI screen so we can have the simulation. Right now it is in the manual mode, so when we will press the start button, the pump will start working by turning on the specified bit, which will further turn on the internal relay which has been latched. After turning on the internal relay, the pump will start working. So let's press the start button. So we have pressed the start button and the pump has started working. The pump is working right now, and the water will start rising. To turn it off, we have to press the stop button, because right now we are in the manual mode, for which we have to release the start button. So we have released the start button, but the pump is still working. So now we will press the stop button, and the pump will stop working. In that specified bit will get turn off, which will turn off the water pump. So we have pressed the stop button, and see, the pump has stopped working. So here was the simulation in the manual mode. Now we have to set it to auto mode. When we set it to the auto mode, we will have the simulation in the auto mode, and to demonstrate it, we will turn the water level very low. Now we have set it to the auto mode. The float switch will move in downward direction, sensing that the low level, for which a low level will be sensed, which will turn on the water pump, and the water pump will start on working. And after that, the water level will keep on rising, which will move the switch in the upward direction. And after sensing the upward direction, the low level switch will turn off, but the water level will keep on rising as the water pump is still in working mode and it is still on. When the water level will rise to high level switch, which will move the high level switch in the upward direction, that high level switch will sense it and get turned on, which will further turn off the water pump. So in this way, it has turned on its inner contact of high level switch, which has turned off the water, so the water will not go further in upward direction. Instead of, the water will stop rising. It has turned on its inner contact, which has turned off the water pump, and water will keep on coming in downward direction, where low level switch will sense it and get turned on. So this will keep on happening. So in this way, we will have an auto manual water pump control system.